Hello and welcome to Beautiful Within. So today we are going to unbox the Sugarbox Boho Chick edition. That was their May month theme, and I had ordered it last month in May, a little later, so they have shipped it right now. This is the box that Sugarbox come in, a regular cardboard box, and I'm going to open this box and we are going to unbox the contents together. This is the box. This is Boho Chick written on it in a tag, and this is the peacock blue kind of a ribbon on it. I really like the box. It's a very nice sturdy cardboard box, and for the color, I guess it really suits the Boho Chick style because peacock blue is very much a boho kind of a color. It suits the boho style. So let's get started. These are my contents. Oh, there's a card also, so we'll read out the card first. It reads Boho Chick, and it says, head sane, hands busy, sweethearts, call me old-fashioned, but Boho Chick is the attraction. Okay, your sugar advisor. So it's very boho. I'm very much in the boho mode also, so let's get started. So the first product that I see is a Neemly Naturals coffee scrub. I guess it's a season for coffee scrub because I got a Skin Yoga coffee scrub in my fab bag also. I'll link the video sometime on the screen, somewhere on the screen. Please do watch it. So this is the scrub. It comes in, of course, a packet, post which it comes in a jute kind of a, I see a jute kind of a thing here. No, it's a pack only. So this is the kind of pack that it has. It's actually paper, it's not jute. Sure, though it looks jute, it's paper. And they just say that you gently massage it on your skin in circular motion and rinse it off with warm water. So which is great. I will try the coffee scrub. I guess I have to try this coffee scrubs now because they're very much in these days, I guess. The second thing that I have is a kind of brown envelope with a purple ribbon. So we are going to open the ribbon with Sugarbox written on it. Okay, they are earrings. They're earrings, okay. Feather earrings, of course, and which are tangled. So these are the earrings which are there. Very long chain and feather earrings, of course, to go with the boho style. I'll actually, maybe I can wear them and show you. Just give me a second. So this is how the earrings are looking. They're pretty experimental, coming till my chest, so they're very long also. So I really like the chain detailing, and then the plain feathers which are there. They're absolutely plain, no design on them. And maybe, you know, with a rani colored kurta, and if you really want the boho look someday, this can really work wonders. Or with a dress. Actually, it can go very well with a dress, with a summery dress on the beach. So I really like the earrings. So this is, I guess, the second product. So the third product also comes in a brown kind of a paper envelope, and I've already taken it out, which is a very cool boho necklace. So this is the necklace. It has, as you can see, some bit of stone detailing here, some fringes, chain fringes, and some leather fringes also with leaves on it, and some leaves in antique kind of leaves. I really like it with just a white dress, plain white dress, and with just this on and some flip-flops, you are ready to go. You're ready to go to any boho party, anywhere you want to make a statement. This is really cool, and I really like wearing this kind of a stuff at times, so I really like it. This is quite like, this has taken me over my nerves. The fourth thing is actually a bummer because I did not like it. So this is the top which is there, which says normal is boring. So this is the kind of a crop top. Now, nothing to do with the fabric or anything. The fabric is really good. It's pure cotton. Very wearable, of course. Like there's no issue with that. The issue that I have here is that when I heard Boho Chick, the first thing that came to my mind was tie and dye, paisley, asterisk print, something of that sort. So I was actually expecting that when they send a garment along with a Boho Chick edition, they would send some kind of, maybe, you know, a kaftan or even a crop top like this. Which is just the same thing, but just, you know, some asterisk print on it, some tie and dye, paisley, anything of a print, experimental print. But what they say is, what they gave is a very normal kind of a t-shirt, which is wearable, which is very nice, but somehow does not meet my expectations. I was really expecting something of an experimental garment, but it's okay nonetheless. It's very wearable, so we'll settle for that. The fourth thing is actually a bottle which they have given in a plastic cover, and this is a regular bottle, regular steel kind of a bottle, which reads good vibes only, which I truly agree on. Please, good vibes only. And it has some pom-poms with it, purple and green kind of pom-poms, and this is detachable, so you can put it on any other bottle as well, or you can put it maybe, you know, on your purse, on your backpack or something. This is the cap and this is the bottle. Like the bottle. and it's very, what shall I say, very usable, I would say, a very usable bottle. And the last but one thing, the second last thing is a purse, which I am loving. I already love the purse. This is the purse with tassels on it and some kind of leather detailing here. This is how it opens, with a tish button. There's a pocket here. There is the sling, which is not detachable, so it's this kind of a sling. There are 2 pockets. And I would say there's a back pocket also. I'll show you. This is a really nice bag. This is like a steel. On Sugarbox website they say that's $14.50 bucks. It's really nice. It's really a run for the money, and I love it. I can totally dress it up with anything, and even if I'm going just to some kind of regular shopping day, this works really well because it's really compact but quite spacious, as you can see. And the last thing, which is food, which is why I love it, is honey twigs. So they have given just a twig of honey. You have to just cut it and just eat it. I love honey, as you would all know, because okay, that's a PJ. Honey is my sister also. It's my sister's name. I love you, honey. Hi. But I like eating honey. At times in my tea also, instead of sugar I add honey. So I guess I'll add this in my tea, or I'll have it just like that. So these were, I guess, the 6 or 7 things that Sugarbox has sent. Barring the black colored crop top which they've sent, I like all of their products. This is the second time that I'm actually using Sugarbox, but this is the first time I'm reviewing it, so it was kind of a first impression or second impression for you guys as well. I would really say that you do subscribe to the Sugarbox, because they are doing really experimental things these days, and I really like them. For $14.99 this bag is a steal. So you're talking about Sugarbox. Sugarbox is a monthly subscription service of lifestyle, beauty and skincare products, mostly lifestyle. So this curate a box, they send you a theme, they send a mail to you, and if you like that month's theme, you can subscribe for the box. The products are quite a secret, and you get to know it at the end of the month only, which is not that good a thing, but any which ways. They retail for $14.99 for a month, and I would link down the site below so you can go and check for yourself how you like the Sugarbox. This was my review of the Sugarbox. Do tell me how you liked it, if you have used any of the Sugarboxes, and how you like the previous ones. And until next time we meet, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.